I correct puppies because they were jumping at me. I said no a couple times and pushed them, and Midgar went away. And who is not getting it? Malina, you are not getting it. Ooh. 4 puppies here. They like sun. Богатырик. Богатырь. Богатырь, богатырь. Malik is the biggest puppy right now. He is 25 pounds. I didn't weigh other puppies. I just weighed him for fun. Because I'm not planning to use them for slaughter meat. I'm not eating dogs. So I'm not checking their weight. Unless I'm going to the vet. Or if I need to give them some kind of medication. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So I don't understand when people constantly check and weight on their dogs. What's the point? So I will take them out right now.